Welcome to TreeBills. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to manually adjust your item stock levels. Let's get started. From the inventory list, tap on any item you want to update. This opens the item details screen with tabs at the top. Tap on the Stock tab to access the stock update screen. You'll see a quantity input field in the center and two action buttons at the bottom: green Add Stock button on the left and red Reduce Stock button on the right. To increase stock, tap the quantity field and enter the amount you want to add. You can enter whole numbers like 10 or decimal values like 2.5. Then tap the green Add Stock button. The app validates and increases your item's stock. You'll see a success confirmation with a green upward arrow showing the added quantity. Important validations. Quantity field is required. Must enter a valid number greater than 0. Cannot add 0 quantity. To decrease stock, enter the quantity you want to remove in the same field. Then tap the red Reduce Stock button. The app processes the reduction and decreases your stock. You'll see a confirmation with a red downward arrow showing the reduced quantity. Important validations. Must enter a valid number greater than 0. Cannot reduce by 0. System prevents reducing stock below 0. After updating, you'll see a last update indicator showing your most recent change, either +10 with green arrow for additions or +5 with red arrow for reductions. The quantity field clears automatically, ready for your next update. Use manual stock adjustments for receiving inventory not tied to purchase invoices, physical stock count corrections, removing damaged or expired items, samples or promotional items given away, correcting data entry mistakes. Opening balance entry when first setting up, all changes are recorded in the item timeline for complete tracking. That's it. Open any item's stock tab, enter the quantity, and tap Add or Reduce. The app validates your entries and records all changes in the timeline for transparency. Start managing your stock with confidence. Download TreeBills, available on Android, iOS, and web. Thanks for watching.